Welcome back to Dine Company. My name is Micah. Today we're here in the showroom to bring you part one of a two-part series on improving the dining experience. Now, in part one, we want to talk to you about flatware and how that relates to improving the dining experience. Imagine, if you will, that you are out on the town and it's a special occasion. Maybe it's your birthday or an anniversary, and you're going to upscale casual or a fine dining restaurant, and the atmosphere is just right, the decor is beautiful. You come to your table, there's nice linens, there's very nice china, very fine stemware, and you look at the menu and you order that $30 steak. The steak comes out, and then you pick up your flatware and it is cheap and flimsy, and everything else up to that point could have been perfect. But now that you have this cheap flatware in your hand, that's the one thing that's going to stick out in your mind as far as the rest of that experience. Now, owners and operators of upscale casual to fine dining establishments have to think about all the details, all the way down to small details such as the flatware, and they have to think about what kind of statement of the quality it makes to the customer, because the customer coming into your establishment, they have an expectation of quality before they even arrive. And so how can we improve the dining experience in this situation? So in this type of fine dining establishment, we want to make sure that we're using the appropriate type of silverware and recognize the two different types of silverware that you find in dining establishments. The first being 18-0 silverware. I have an example here, and 1810 silverware, an example here. Now, what is the main difference between the two? The two numbers, 18 and either 0 or 10, speak to the type of metal that is in the silverware. The first number, 18, talks about the amount of chromium that is in the steel, and the second number, either 10 or 0, talks about how much nickel is in the steel. In 1810 silverware, the 10% addition of that nickel gives it a more highly polished shine, and also gives the silverware a heavier feel in the hand, which gives the presentation of quality. Here at Dine Company, we offer a number of products from Walco Stainless, and here we see an example of 1810 silverware from Walco, and you can see it has that highly polished shine, which is more suitable for fine dining establishments. So once again, compare these two and ask yourself, if you're having a nice meal in a fine dining establishment, which fork would you rather use, the 18-0 or the 18-10? I think you'd rather have the 18-10. And once again, if you're having that $30 steak, ask yourself, which knife would you rather be cutting it with, the 18-0 or the 18-10? I think you'd rather have the 18-10. So remember, every little detail in the dining room is an opportunity to make a statement of quality and to improve the dining experience. Silverware is no exception. For more information on Walco Stainless products, you can visit our store at 3110 Preston Highway in Louisville, Kentucky, or you can call us and ask to speak to a customer care associate.